A bright, beautiful cooking day, everyone. Today's recipe is quick, easy, and healthy. You don't have to wait forever to satisfy yourself with this meal. Yes, a bowl of vegetable soup and cold leaf pap. Don't let me keep you waiting. Let's cook. Get your cold leaf wrapped pap, blanched green vegetable, bitter leaf, peppers, onions, palm oil, iru, pomo, beef, salt, garlic, ginger, spices, and bouillon cubes. Start with boiling your beef. Put it in your pot. Add your sliced onions, salt, garlic, ginger, spices, bouillon cubes. Mix and let it start boiling together before you add more water. Mix again and allow it cook till it's very tender. While that is going on, it's time for the sauce, the pepper sauce. Yes, heat up your pan, add your palm oil, let it get hot but not bleached. Then in goes your iru, mix it and add your grated pepper and onions, salt and bouillon cubes. Mix and let it fry. Then add your pomo. If your pomo is hard, you can't boil it with the beef, but this pomo is very soft. So mix and let it fry together. The beef is ready. Add your beef into the sauce and mix. Keep mixing till everything is so beautiful like this. Once it's well fried, it's time to add the green vegetables. For the bitter leaf, I didn't scrub out the bitterness. My own hack is just slice your bitter leaf and add a teaspoon of baking soda and allow it boil for about 5 minutes and rinse it out. Pour in your cold water or ice to retain that green vibrant color. As you can see, it's so green and beautiful. Mix it till it is well combined, just like this. And the cooking of the day is successful. I'm not a selfish person, so I want you to choose for me. Should I eat from the black plating or should I eat from the white plating? Thank you so much, because I know you're going to make a very wonderful choice for me. You can drop in your comments and just keep watching Fofolicious Food Bites for more quick and healthy recipes. Thank you.